In this video, I'll show you how to crochet the invisible decrease, which is a technique used in the amigurumi or crochet toys to avoid holes in your stitches. The invisible decrease is simply a single crochet decrease worked through the front loops only. We are going to single crochet these two stitches together. So instead of inserting your hook under both loops, insert your hook under the front loop only of the next stitch. And now, without finishing the stitch, insert your hook under the front loop of the following stitch as well. Now you have two loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both front loops. Then yarn over again and pull through both loops on your hook to complete the single crochet. This makes the invisible decrease. After the decrease, work a regular single crochet in the next stitch. I'm going to make another decrease in these two stitches. Insert the hook under the front loop of the first stitch and then under the front loop of the second stitch. Yarn over and pull through the two front loops. Yarn over again and pull through both loops on your hook to complete the single crochet. This is our second invisible decrease. So in the next stitch after the decrease, work a regular single crochet. The invisible decrease works best when crocheting stuffed toys. However, it's not ideal for flat projects like blankets or scarves. A regular single crochet two together is usually better for flat projects. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also save the video so you can come back to it whenever you're shaping your crochet projects. Thank you for watching.